Okay, ready?
We are Instant, making weekday meals easier. Home cooking will never be the same again. Starting with the original Instant Pot, today there is a model for every kitchen, and the innovation doesn't stop there. Even crisp technology, guided cooking, clear cook windows, VersaZone drawers, certified by QuietMark, odor erase filters, whisper quiet steam release, and connected cooking. We make products for today's consumers. With over 200,000 followers, we're always there with recipe inspiration and even more from our influencers.
We're super excited to announce that we're now Instant brand ambassadors. We've been working with them for a couple of years now and love their gear.
But don't just take our word for it.
I've actually not really seen any other brand or product like that.
So it's saving you space, saving you time.
It's so much more economical than having to switch the oven on.
Which begs the question.
Why wouldn't you want to buy an Instant